जनाब, एक्ने से पीछा छुड़ाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। टुडे वील बी टॉकिंग ऑफ हाउ टू गेट रिड ऑफ एक्ने। जनाब, एक्ने से पीछा छुड़ाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। एक्ने के साथ साथ दौड़ना पड़ता है और उसको कंट्रोल में रखना पड़ता है कि जब आप उस उम्र से बाहर निकलें, व्हेन यू एंटर योर 20s, you are not much bothered with acne and it does not leave marks. The problem with acne is that if when you will pass out this age and if you have a normal kind of a skin, एक्ने की जो पॉपुलेशन है और जो आने की तादाद है वो काफ़ी कम हो जाती है। लेकिन टीनेज एक्ने जो निशान और स्कार्स छोड़ के चला जाता है उसको ट्रीट करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम होता है। सो व्हाट यू शुड डू, देयर हैज़ टू बी अ डिसिप्लिन. First of all, you have to understand that acne is the mixture of sweat and sebum. So whenever the weather is humid, whenever you are playing outdoors, whenever you feel that there is lots of pollution sticking to your skin, so first thing you have to do is that you have to wash your face. So first thing for acne control, to control acne, I will never say to get rid of acne, because rid of acne वो काम ही नहीं है, वो बीमारी ही नहीं है. It's part of growing up. You should get into the habit of washing your face very regularly. Again, the problem is when you wash your face, some people have the habit of using a toner also. जब आप फेस वॉश करते हैं, टोनर इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है. अब ये ड्राई स्किन आपके ब्रेन को सिग्नल पहुंचाती है टू प्रोड्यूस ऑयल सो दैट स्किन की जो लेयरिंग है वो नॉर्मल हो जाए. अब यहाँ पर एक्ने का ग्लैंड ऑयल भी प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. तो अभी आपने साफ किया, बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई किया, फिर दोबारा एक्ने होने लगे. तो कोशिश कीजिए कि वॉश योर फेस और उसके बाद wait for some time and then apply a oil free moisturizer. Every company has a oil free moisturizer. The oil free moisturizer will moisturize your skin without stimulating your glands so that the acne does not come back. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water so that whatever the secretions are being secreted is diluted and it's not thick secretion. Do not touch your face. The more you touch your face, the more you touch it and excoriate it, the chances that it will leave a mark is much more. If there is an acne, if you have severe acne, kindly don't go to a doctor. The doctor will guide you when to use, which face wash to use, which antibiotic cream to use, how to use, and the treatment for acne changes according to the season. It is different in summers, in monsoons and in winters. If you go to the doctor, as I say, सर्दी गर्मी बरसात आपको मेरे पास आना पड़ेगा, you will know what to do. So acne is something which is a constant struggle, but that struggle is important and necessary so that later in life you don't have to face acne scars. So don't be afraid of acne, don't get irritated with acne, get after them, learn the right routine, be in constant consultant with your dermatologist so that they can guide you what to use when. Listen to all the videos where we are talking about food also, the causes also, and acne is not going to trouble you.